Okay, ma'am. What is our yesterday topic? What is our yesterday topic? All of you attend the class yesterday? Hello. Okay. Our yesterday topic is Consumer Protection Act. Yes? Yes or no? Consumer Protection Act. Which year? Consumer Protection Act 1986. Yes? Consumer Protection Act 1986. Okay. How many councils is there? How many councils is there in Consumer Protection Act? Three councils, yes? National Council and State Council. This PDF మీకు పెట్టానా నేను ఇది నిన్న మీకు PDF పెట్టానారా పెట్టలేదు అనుకుంటా ఓకే నేను ఈ రోజు పెడతాలేండి నిన్న చెప్పిన లెసన్ కి PDF పెట్టలేదు నేను ఓకే మా రాసుకుంటున్నారు కదా పెట్టినట్టు ఓకే కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ Consumer Protection Act 1986. In this Consumer Protection Act, only three councils is there: National Council, National Consumer Protection Council, and State Consumer Protection Council, District Consumer Protection Council. Yes. Okay. Okay. First of all, we discuss about district forum. What is district forum? How many members is there? What is the jurisdiction, the district forum? Okay. Okay, let us start. The term district forum is the name provided for the consumer disputes redressal forum. It means consumer district forum means the consumer provide for the consumer dispute, means consumer problem solved redressal forum which operates at the district level. The district forum is operate at the district level as per section 9 subsection A of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. The district forum is operate at the district level only. What is the section? Section 9 subsection A of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. And section 2 subsection 1H, the district forum is established. The district forum is established at the district level by the state government. Who is the established these district forum? This district forum is established by state government. Okay, this district forum established by state government. If the state government deems fit, it may be established more than one district forums in a particular district. If the every district more than one district forums, mainly only one district forum is every each district, but if maybe established more than one district forums in a particular district, just like that Rangareddy means Hyderabad jurisdictions, or any lodge of districts, just like the Warangal or Rangareddy or Medak. So more than one district forums is also established in district level. And next point is membership. How many members there in the district forum? In an individual who possesses the qualification to become a district judge, the first member is in the district forum. An individual who possesses the qualification to become a district judge can take up the position of president in district forum. Who is the president in district forum? Who is qualified to become a district judge? Who is qualified become a district judge? That person can only president in the district forum. ఎవరైతే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లెవెల్లో డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కోర్టులో జడ్జిగా క్వాలిఫై అవుతారో అతను డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంకి ప్రెసిడెంట్గా ఉంటాడు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ 2 other members. Among these 2 members, 1 member should be female. These 2 members should possess the below mentioned qualifications. And the more 2 members is there, who is the 2 members? And the 2 members must only one member should be female, must. ఒకరు లేడీ అయి కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. These 2 members should possess the some qualifications. What the qualifications? Person should be at least 35 years of age. These persons should be of at least 35 years of age and should be graduate from recognized university. The person should be of at least 35 years of age and should be graduate from recognized university, any recognized university, just like that Kankatiya, Usmania, Palamuru, Shatavana, whatever it may be. But they compulsory, they should be graduate from recognized university. And the next point is should possess knowledge and should have at least 10 years of experience in taking with problems council's law. What is the next qualification? The person should possess knowledge and should have at least 10 years of experience in taking with problems. What type of problems? Which type of problems? Economics, commerce, industry, accountancy, administration, or public affairs. So these type of subjects or these type of problems solved in experience of 10 years of experience must. And next one is an individual will not get membership in the district forum in the following cases. The next condition is an individual will not get membership when some points is there. Which points? If a person has sent to jail for conducting any offense, that type of person is not the members in district forum, could not the member in district forum. Which person? If a person has sent to jail for conducting any offense, and if a person is an undischarged insolvent, if a person is an undischarged insolvent, and if a person is not of sound mind. It not of sound mind means unsound mind. Unsound mind means already we discuss about unsound minded, means idiots, lunatics, drunkards. So these are unsound minded. So these types of persons is not qualified to the district forum members. And next, if a person is dismissed from the government services or any cooperative body working under the control of government, so this person is also disqualified. And if a person has financial or other interests which are state government, and if a person has other disqualifications specified by the state government. Okay, what is the disqualifications of members to enter into district forum? The disqualifications is if a person has sent to a jail for conducting any offense, conducting any illegal activities. So that type of persons is not enter into the district forum. And next, if a person is an undischarged insolvent, if a person is not of sound mind, not a sound mind means unsound mind. Unsound mind persons mean lunatics, idiots, drunkards. So these type of persons is also disqualified persons. And next thing is appointment. How to take appointment these persons in district forum? The state government make each and every appointment in the district forum and the recommendation of selection committee. డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంలో మెంబర్స్గా ఉండాలి అంటే ఎవరు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే ద స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ మేక్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ అపాయింట్మెంట్ ఇన్ ద డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరం ఆన్ ద రికమెండేషన్ ఆఫ్ సెలెక్షన్ కమిటీ. డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరం లెవెల్లో ఉండే సెలెక్షన్ కమిటీ ఎవరినైతే రికమెండ్ చేస్తుందో వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంలో మెంబర్స్గా ఉంటారు. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ ఎవరైతే ఈ అబో క్వాలిఫికేషన్స్ కలిగి ఉంటారో, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్స్? ద పర్సన్ షుడ్ బి అట్లీస్ట్ 35 years of age and should be graduate from recognized university, and he must knowledge about economics, commerce, industry, accountancy and administration, at least 10 years of experience. So these type of persons enter into district forum by recommendation of selection committee. Recommendation of selection committee. So those selection committees composed of the following members. President of the state commission, who shall be is the chairman. What is the selection committee members? Who is the selection committee members? President of the state commission. President of the state commission. What state commission? Which state commission? The Consumer Protection Commission in state level. So the president of the state commission, who shall be its chairman, and secretary of the law department of the state, who shall be its member. The second number is secretary of the law department of the state, and the next person is secretary in charge of the consumer affairs department. The first person is president of the state commission, and the second person is secretary of the law department, and third person is secretary in charge of the consumer affairs department. So these three persons is a selected committee, in a selected committee. And next, registration by members of a district forum. Registration by members of the district forum. How to register it? A member of the district forum might register his membership by giving a registration letter in the రిటర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ టు ద స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్. ఏంటి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంలో ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలి, మెంబర్షిప్ కావాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? మస్ట్ the member of the district forum might register his membership by giving a registration letter by the state government. So the position resigned will become vacant with the acceptance of registration letter by the state government. So a person having the qualification prescribed by the state government for such resigned position and appointed the vacant position. ఎవరైతే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంలో మెంబర్షిప్ గా ఉండాలి అనుకుంటారో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దాంట్లో వేకెన్సీ అనేది ఉండాలి. ఆ వేకెన్సీ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ వ్యక్తి స్టేట్ ఫోరం కి అప్పీల్ చేసుకుంటే, అప్లికేషన్ పెట్టుకుంటే ఆ వేకెన్సీని బట్టి దాంట్లో మెంబర్షిప్ గా ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ jurisdiction, what is the jurisdiction of district level? So the consumer dispute redressal forum may have jurisdiction to handle complaint where the cost of goods or services and the value of the compensation claim is not more than 20 lakhs. This jurisdiction is subject to other legal obligations of this act. ఏంటి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లెవెల్లో మనము కంప్లైంట్ చేయాలి అంటే ఎంత పరిధి వరకు ఉండాలి, ఎంత లిమిట్ వరకు ఉండాలి? jurisdiction means limitations. So which type of limitations? The complaint compensation is not more than 20 lakhs. The complaint compensation is not more than 20 lakhs. 20 లక్షల లోపు ఉన్న కంప్లైంట్స్ మాత్రమే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లెవెల్లో తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది, అప్పీల్ చేసుకునే ఛాన్సెస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. నా హౌ టు అప్పీల్ టు ద డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరం. డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరం కి అప్పీల్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఎలా అప్పీల్ చేసుకోవాలి? సో నౌ ద క్వశ్చన్ టు కంప్లైంట్ ద fill with a district forum. How to complain to fill in a district forum? A complaint concerning goods or services sold or delivered or agreed to be sold. ఏంటి ఒక డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంలో మనం అప్పీల్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే మనం ఒక వస్తువుని కానీ లేదా ఒక సర్వీస్ ని కానీ కొనుగోలు చేసి కానీ లేదా కొనుగోలు చేయడానికి అంగీకరించి అయినా ఉండాలి. అండ్ కన్స్యూమర్ టు హూమ్ దోస్ గూడ్స్ ఆర్ సర్వీసెస్ ఆర్ సోల్డ్ ఆర్ డెలివర్డ్ ఆర్ అగ్రీడ్ టు బి సోల్డ్ ఆర్ డెలివర్డ్. What is the condition? Consumer to whom those goods or services are sold or delivered or agreed to be sold or agreed to be delivered. One or more consumers, if these existence. So the one or more consumers is hug number of consumers having same complaint. ఒకే వస్తువు మీద కానీ కంప్లైంట్ ఇవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే the more than one members together for doing this permission has to obtain from the district forum. District forum లో అందరు కలిసి ఒకేసారి అప్పీల్ చేసుకునే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. And after receiving a complaint, the district forum might accept or reject a complaint. After receiving a complaint, the district forum might accept or reject a complaint. A decision regarding whether to accept or reject the complaint is taken within 21 days from the date of which complaint were received. Okay. After receiving a complaint, the district forum must accept or reject a complaint. A decision regarding whether to accept or reject the complaint taken within 21 days. And if the complaint is accepted, then the district forum might proceed with the complaint in the manner prescribing the act. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ కంప్లైంట్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత విత్ ఇన్ 21 days లో ఆ కంప్లైంట్ ని రిజెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు లేదా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో వెన్ ద డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరం యాక్సెప్టెడ్ దట్ కంప్లైంట్, ద ప్రొసీజర్ ఈజ్ స్టార్టెడ్. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ కంప్లైంట్ ని యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారో అప్పటి నుంచి ఆ ప్రొసీజర్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఏంటి, తను పొందుకున్న గూడ్స్ కానీ the purchased goods or services must be legally or illegally. So it will not be transferred to any other court or authority established by or under any other act. This is the district council. District forum. So okay, ma. The next point is state commission. State commission. What is the state commission? What is the conditions of state commission? The term state commission is the name provided for the Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum or Consumer Protection Act 1986. The state commission is established by the state government. The state commission is established by the state government and its jurisdiction is generally limited to respective state only. What is the limitation of state government, state commission? The state commission jurisdiction is generally limited to respective state, only within the state jurisdiction, limitation of state. However, if the state government notify in the official gazette under section 17 subsection B may perform the functions of any other place as notified by the government. What happened here? However, if the state government notified in the official gazette under section 17 subsection B may perform means may functions of the state government of any other place as notified by the state government. Okay, and next, members. Who is the members of state commission? Every state commission is composed of the following members. Who is the members? First is an individual who is or has been a high court judge appointed by the state commission can take up the role of president in state commission. Who is the president of state commission? Who has been a high court judge. హై కోర్టు జడ్జి ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు స్టేట్ కమిషన్ కి ప్రెసిడెంట్ గా ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. స్టేట్ కమిషన్ గా ప్రెసిడెంట్ గా ఉండాలి అంటే హైకోర్టు జడ్జి అయి ఉండాలి. సో an individual who is or has been a high court judge appointed by the state commission can take up the role of president in state commission, and the state commission also contains minimum 2 and maximum number of members specified by the act. One among them should be women. One among them should be women and should possess the below mentioned qualifications. Which type of qualifications? A person should have at least 35 years of age. As the district forum is same as the state commission is also same. Which the qualifications is it? A person should have at least 35 years of age and a person should have a bachelor degree from a recognized university, and the third condition is a person should be capable and strong enough and should possess appropriate knowledge and minimum 10 years of experience. Minimum 10 years of experience in accountancy, economics, industry, commerce, public affairs, and administration. Whatever is maybe, the minimum 10 years of experience is must, and maximum 50% of the members of the state commission can be people with judicial background. What is the 50% of members is commission can be taken for the state commission? The maximum 50% of members people with judicial background, means law background. So a person is considered as disqualified for appointment as a member of state commission. What is the disqualifications? As same as district commission is a person has sent to jail for committing any offense, any cases. And if a person is an undischarged insolvent, if a person is not sound mind, it means in person is sound, not unsound mind. And if a person is dismissed from the government services, and if a person has any financial or other interests which are prescribed by the state government, and if a person has any other disqualification specified by the state government, so these persons are disqualified to select a state commission members. So, and next, jurisdiction. What is the state commission jurisdictions? What is the limitations of state commission? The state commission have some jurisdictions is there. What is the jurisdictions? What is the limits? The first point is to entertain complaints where the value of goods or services and claim for compensation is more than 20 lakhs but does not cross 1 crore. What is the district forum jurisdiction? Less than 20 lakhs. Okay, did you understand what is the jurisdiction? What is the limit of district forum? The district forum is limitation is compensation claimed is not more than 20 lakhs. Below 20 lakhs cases is only taken by district forum. What about state forum? The state forum claims for compensation is more than 20 lakhs but not less than 1, but does not cross 1 crore. Above 20 lakhs, below 1 crore. So these limitations for the state commission, state forum, and to ask for records and pass suitable order in any consumer dispute which is pending before. What is the records? Which type of records he wants? To ask for records and pass suitable order in any consumer dispute. Any consumer dispute means any lower level disputes, means district level forums, and is unable to make use of its power to take legal decisions or use the legal power not given by law. The state level commission members does not have any powers given by law. And next point is transfer of cases. On the request of the complaint or of its own interest, the state commission might transfer the complaint case kept in pending in one district forum to another district forum within the state, provided in the interest of justice required such transfer. What is this meaning? ఒకవేళ ఒక డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంలో కనుక అప్పీల్ చేసుకున్న కన్జ్యూమర్ కి కరెక్ట్ అయిన రిజల్ట్ రాకపోయినట్లయితే అతను స్టేట్ కమిషన్ కి అప్పీల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అలా అప్పీల్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ స్టేట్ కమిషన్ ఒక డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరంలో నుంచి ఇంకో డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఫోరం కి ఆ అప్పీల్ ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసే అధికారం ఉంటుంది. ఎవరికి? స్టేట్ కమిషన్ కి. సో ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ కేసెస్ on the request of the complaint or its own interest, the state commission might transfer the complaints or cases kept in pending in district forum to another district forum within the state, provided if the interest of justice requires such transfer. And next point is procedure. What is the procedure to solve the consumers problems, solve the consumer disputes? The legal obligation of section 12, 13 and 14 and rules include under those sections for settlement of disputes, settlement of problems, solve the problems by the district forum along with changes required will be applicable to dispute settlement by the state commission.